Welcome everyone to African Multi Design. My name is Zanele. We're going to look at Instagram today and we're going to see how we can change our personal Instagram to a business account. So once you've created your account and you have added a photo, it would look like this. It would be a personal account. One note from myself is if you have a personal account and you want to change it to a business account, make sure that your name of your Instagram account follows what you're doing. So if you're baking cookies, try to make sure that your name at least has some sort of identification of what you do. But we just want to show you how to change the account to a business account, because with a business account there's lots of features that are available at your disposal, like opening a shop and linking it to Facebook. And there's so much that you can do with a business Instagram account. So you would swipe to I never know my hands. You'd swipe to this one, I think is the right. You'd swipe to the right and then you'd open up the menu on your Instagram. You'd go to the settings at the bottom of the page and you'd go to accounts and you'd scroll down to go and find this link that says switch to professional account, and you would click on switch to professional account and they're going to introduce you. You would just swipe through and they're just showing you more features that are available for you as a business account holder on the Instagram platform. Then you would choose your category, so you can type whatever category that you want. You can look for, let's say it's a bakery and we're looking for a bakery. Then you can select a bakery or whatever niche or whatever business that you're running. You can search for that and you can select it. So if you want the category to show, you need to switch it on your profile. If you leave it off, it won't show under your name to show that you are a baker. Then you click on next and then it loads so that it gives you the options that are available for you to choose to either be a retailer or a business owner, the type of Instagram account of a business owner or a creator. So you get people like public figures, content creators who can choose the content creator. So it depends on the type that you would like to choose. We're gonna go with business and go next, and then the information is going to show there that you want people to see when they contact your business account. And then this feature is not available for personal, where you can connect to your Facebook account. And then if you post information on Instagram, immediately it will post to Facebook at the same time. So it's quite cool. I'm gonna skip that because I don't want to do that with this particular account. And then you would land on you finalizing your business account. So they need you to do 4 steps, like you need to share a post, we've done the completing the profile, you need to tell others, you need to learn from others. So you need to do a couple of things for Instagram. They don't force you, you can skip all of this, but it will tell you as you complete one step, it will tell you that's done, and it will ask you to invite friends. When you invite friends, it will tick. If you share one photo or a video, then you would have done the 4 things. Once you're done, your account will be a business account and it will look like this. It shows that I still need to do 2 steps, but what I want to show you is you have the option of editing your profile, doing promotions, and getting information on how your account is performing on Instagram. And it gives you such nice insight to what time should you post, who are your target audience, are you getting followers, are you losing followers, and so on. And you get to view if you're loading stories, how many people see it, how many people react, and it gives you such valuable insights so that you can use that when you're promoting your business and your brand. So that is how you create a business account, or you change your personal account to a business account. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe if I'm adding value, and I'll see you on the next video.